Clayton, North Carolina pressure washing. If you are looking for expert pressure washing in Clayton, North Carolina, this video covers everything you need to know about choosing the right service provider, understanding the process, and maximizing results for your property. We serve residential and commercial properties in Clayton, NC, and surrounding areas, offering customized pressure washing solutions for homes, garages, and buildings of all types. From driveways to sidewalks, our team uses eco-friendly cleaning agents that are safe for your family, pets, and the environment. We also specialize in removing stubborn stains and mildew from patios, decks, and fences. We understand the importance of regular maintenance for property values. That's why we provide free estimates, flexible scheduling, and a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Call us today to schedule your pressure washing service. We take pride in being a trusted pressure washing service provider in Clayton, North Carolina, and we've built strong relationships with our community over the years to ensure your needs are always met. Our team is dedicated to providing fast and efficient pressure washing services that get the job done right the first time, every time, to help you enjoy your outdoor spaces again. In Clayton, North Carolina, we know that homeowners and businesses alike want a clean and safe environment for their families and customers. Our pressure washing services deliver just that. Our team in Clayton, NC is committed to customer satisfaction, ensuring you receive top-notch pressure washing services that meet your specific needs and exceed your expectations every time. We use state-of-the-art equipment and eco-friendly cleaning solutions that are safe for homes, businesses, and the environment, protecting your property while keeping it clean and tidy. Regular maintenance can help prevent costly repairs down the line, so we encourage our Clayton, North Carolina neighbors to schedule regular pressure washing sessions with us to keep their properties in good condition. Our team is trained to handle a variety of surfaces, including concrete, wood, and metal. So whether you have a residential or commercial property, we've got you covered with our reliable pressure washing services. By choosing our pressure washing services, you're not only getting a clean property, but also supporting local businesses and helping the Clayton, North Carolina community thrive, one clean surface at a time. Pressure washing helps remove dirt and grime from surfaces, extending their lifespan and improving overall appearance. It's a simple, cost-effective solution for a cleaner home or business. If you are looking for pressure washing in Clayton, North Carolina, woodiesnc.com can help with free estimates and scheduling for your residential or commercial property today. Click the link below to learn more.